When you try to start, it will do nothing. Try on and off several times to verify if it has any connection with the ignition switch. Usually, cars should start when you turn the key from on position to start. Then change to the neutral position, and then try to start the car while the brake pedal is pressed. If the car starts in this case, then the problem is in the transmission range switch. If not, we need to check if the battery condition. If the battery is good, then next step is to check the starter cup relay. The starter cup relay is at the top right corner of the passenger compartment fuse box. You can remove these parts to reach the starter cup relay easily. This is the starter cup relay. You can pull it out using a nose plier. In order to verify if the issue is in the starter cup relay, probably you can interchange it with one of another similar type of relay on the fuse box. For instance, you can switch the starter cup relay with power window relay, that is the relay at the middle right corner as shown in this diagram. In this case, the car is starting, so the problem was in the starter cup relay. In case the problem continues, the troubleshooting should be continued more towards the starter motor and wiring.